Hello, welcome to Mainstream Software Training. Today we will be learning about the Report Selector feature. Report selectors on our dashboard and reports, but first let's go over these 4 tabs available. The Excel tab, which can be exported into other formats. The next tab, SSRS, looks like a Word document and is also exportable into multiple formats. When you look through the reports and ask, is there any way to make it easier without digging through reports every time? The answer is yes, by using the favorite tabs next to these tabs. Let's go to Excel Reports, for example, to look up reports on work orders. In the search bar to the left, begin typing 3 letters, and you have choices for work orders listed below. If you wanted to look up Facility Manager Daily Report, type that in, click on which one you want, and now you'll be able to put in a date range. So let's go with a year ago. After selecting a year ago, it will default to today's date. And now that we have a date range, we're going to look at all the facility managers and select all. After selecting all, we're going to run that report. Next tab is the SSRS tab. I'm interested in some information about some building occupants, some of the callers. So let's go ahead and go look at the top 100 callers in the search bar above. What we were able to do is look at them from different years. In the date from box, we're going to click on the year 2014. In the date to box, we're going to click on the current year and current day. In the country and city box, we're going to click all locations, and now we can see what our caller report looks like. If you want to open an SSRS report, you can also do that. You could export this report in a variety of formats shown at the top of the page. To see the rest of the page, use the cursor and scroll down to view other top 100 callers. If you find yourself viewing a report, you can make it a favorite. You can do that by clicking on the star over here, and if you have admin access, you can make it a favorite for all. Let's use the friendly name like Caller Daily. Now if I go over here to my SSRS favorites, I can see that. If you find yourself not only going to report on a regular basis and saving it as a favorite, and find yourself putting it into your calendar to run the report, I want to share with you one of our features, which is the Report Scheduler. The Report Scheduler acts as an automatic assistant. Click here to create the report. Here's our wizard, which you can skip if you'd like to. You start off with putting in a description, for example, monthly PM forecast. And if you want to look for a report name similar, you can type in the word forecast. A couple of choices will show up, so you'll choose one, and another wizard will show up. This will allow you to choose all countries and cities. To allow you to narrow search down, you want to choose all for everything, including assignments also. Now you have chose all the elements for your report. Now you can go ahead and choose the schedule section, and I'm choosing monthly. But if you wanted quarterly or semi-annually, you are able to choose the months. I would like it to arrive on the last day of the month, start on the first day with no end date, and would like it to come into Excel. The format can be changed with an SSRS report. In the Format Delivery tab, I'm going to send this to myself at my email address. You can also copy someone. You can put in a subject line. For example, you're going to use monthly PM workload forecast, and you can also comment. The comment is going to be, let's discuss in our monthly meeting. Review everything, and if you do not like something or something is not valid, you can change it without going through every step. The parameter value is green, so let's finish this up, and as you can see, the report is scheduled. You can delete the schedule if you prefer by clicking this button, or you can look at all schedules or my schedule if they are local reports. This is our report schedule and one of our favorite shop selectors. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed it.